All right, so solve using elimination, and we have these systems of equations. The first equation is x plus 3y equals 6, and the second equation is negative 2x plus 12 equals 6y. Now, using elimination, the first thing you want to do is you want to get these in standard form, which means that you get x and y on the same side, and you get equals the number on the other side. So the top equation is fine. Okay, but we notice on the bottom equation, x and y are on opposite sides. So the first thing we want to do then is do a little bit of algebra. Let's rearrange some terms around. Okay, so I'm going to subtract the 12 because we want the number to be by itself. Okay, so we get negative 2x equals 6y minus 12. And then the last thing I would have to do here is subtract the 6y over to both sides. That'll cancel out the 6y on the right. So negative 2x minus 6y equals negative 12. Okay? So let's just rewrite these equations. X plus 3y equals 6. Negative 2x minus 6y equals negative 12. Okay? Now we want to actually do the elimination step, right? The elimination step says when we add these equations together, we want it to be so that one of the variables gets eliminated. And you notice, well, this is a positive 3, this is a negative 6, right? If I add them together, they will not get eliminated. Same thing with the x's, right? But you notice, well, wait a minute, if this is a negative 6y, what if this was a positive 6y? Right? If this was a positive 6 and I added them together, then y would be eliminated. Right? And then I should be able to solve for x, okay? So let's multiply the top equation by 2. Right, that gives us 2x plus 6y equals 12. We do not need to do anything to the bottom equation. And we should be able to add these together. You notice that positive 6y minus 6y cancels out. That's what we expected, right? That's what we sort of forced to have happen here. But wait a minute, look what happens here. Positive 2x minus 2x, that cancels out. We get a 0 on the left side, and wait a minute, on the right side, 12 plus negative 12 is also 0. Okay, so what just happened here? Okay, so we did the math, we didn't make any mistakes, we ended up with 0 equals 0. This is called an identity. Okay. But what does that mean in terms of the original systems of equations? Remember, each equation represents a line. What this means is that we have two lines that are exactly the same. Right? They overlap. Yeah. So what's the answer? Right, so you don't want to say identity, or you don't want to say they're the same line, or you don't want to say infinitely many solutions. Okay? The answer is every ordered pair that is on the line. So the way we rewrite that is the set of all ordered pairs such that x plus 3y is equal to 6. Okay? This is called set builder notation. Right, so now whenever you end up with an identity, you always want to write the answer like this.